So yeah, the fitment is just absolutely insane. Looks so good on both sides. Fits the car perfectly. And it looks so good just like this. Like, guys, look at this. Like, look at that, just like that. Like, look at that. Oh my goodness. That looks so good. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoyed the install of the lip. If you guys want to grab a lip just like this, go ahead, check out NINTE down below. I'm gonna have it in the description. This fitment, for the price, I can't remember exactly how much it is for the lip, but the fitment is crazy good. You get this nice matte black finish. It completely changes the front end of the car. Just look at this, guys. Look how crazy this looks. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. I'm so happy with how this came out. So definitely go grab one down below. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in the description, like I said. Without further ado, make sure to check me out on Instagram. I'll leave it right over here. Make sure to subscribe down below and make sure to like the video if you guys enjoyed it. Without further ado, guys, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car.